Hello everyone, I'm back with another interesting episode, your super coach Sonu Prasad. First of all, thank you everyone for your love and support that you have shown in previous episodes. If you have missed the previous episodes, you can get the links on my page. So let's start the episode. Someone rightly said, motivation is external and short-lived, but inspiration is internal and lifelong. Why I'm quoting this? Why I'm saying this quote? बिकॉज आज का जो टॉपिक है वो बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है बिकॉज आज हम बात करेंगे रियल लाइफ मोटिवेशन की कि वो कौन से फैक्टर हैं जो हमें ज्यादा मोटिवेट करते हैं। क्या वो एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स हैं जैसे पैसा, हाई सैलरी, अच्छा लाइफस्टाइल, लोगों की अप्रिसिएशन, लोगों की एक्नॉलेजमेंट, या फिर वो इंटरनल फैक्टर्स हैं हमारा सेल्फ बिलीफ, हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस, हमारा माइंड मैनेजमेंट, क्या है वो। इसी पे चर्चा करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ जुड़ रही हैं हमारी गेस्ट। सो लेट्स वॉच अ शॉर्ट ग्लिम्स अबाउट हर।
She comes from the city of Taj Mahal, Agra. She has done her masters in HR. She is a certified life and breakthrough coach and also a self-motivated philanthropist. With her strong interpersonal skills and passion for coaching, she has transformed and impacted many lives. She is on a mission to help people with breaking through their limiting self-belief and living a life of abundance. So let's welcome our today's guest, Kriti Kulshrestha.
सो हेलो कृति, हाउ आर यू?
I'm awesome. How are you doing, Sonu?
आई एम आल्सो गुड, फैंटास्टिक एज यूजुअल. सो हाउ इज द
Great.
थिंग गोइंग देयर?
Pretty fine. We are in lockdown and able to do a lot of things. So, pretty fine.
ओके, एंजॉयिंग होम टाउन.
Yes, indeed.
So Kriti, as we are
Yep.
all are coaches and help people, and you are a breakthrough coach. So what do you think? What is the difference between internal and external identity?
So basically, one of the major things which I believe is the internally how you are is depicted outside, which is externally. So to all the viewers out there, I would like to share this example where when you are happy, you're super happy and joyous from the start of the day, and when you go to office, you don't find any of the crossings having red light, and then you arrive at office, you have a wonderful day. The manager also probably appreciates your work. And how about a day when you are actually getting up late and you are not actually willing to go to office, you feel like sleeping, and at work when you arrive, your boss is not happy because of something or the other, and while coming to office also you have a road fight. So in that scenario, the whole point is that when you are internally not happy, the whole is depicted in the external world, which is the environment. Our identity gets replicated to the way we are internally, and the same is depicted to the external environment.
Right. That is true, Kriti. Because अगर हम अंदर से ठीक नहीं होते हैं तो सारा एटमॉस्फेयर हमारा खराब होता है. फिर हमारे सामने कोई बंदा आके हमारी तारीफ भी कर रहा होता है तो हमें लगता है कि वो हमारी बुराई ही कर रहा है. That
Exactly.
is happened with everyone.
Yes.
There is a story, Kriti, which I wanna share related to this. ये स्टोरी है उस लड़के की जो अंदर से इंटरनली इतना मोटिवेटेड था, इतना इंस्पायर था कि जब उससे स्कूल में पूछा गया कि वो बड़ा होके क्या बनना चाहता है तो उसने बोला मुझे बॉलीवुड में एक्टर बनना है. बट उसकी टीचर ने उसे बोला कि तुम्हारा तो कोई जान पहचान भी नहीं है, तुम्हारे कोई रेफरेंस भी नहीं है, और तुम्हारा तो लुक भी इतना अच्छा नहीं है, तुम कैसे बन सकते हो. ये बात आगे गई और फिर उस बच्चे के पेरेंट्स को बुलाया गया एंड उसकी मॉम को ये बताया गया कि आपका बेटा इस एक्टर बनना चाहता है. तो उसकी मॉम ने जो कहा कि अगर मेरा बेटा कह रहा है तो बनेगा, तो अंदर से इतना मोटिवेटेड था, इतना इंस्पायर था, इंटरनली इतना स्ट्रांग था कि आगे चल के ये बॉलीवुड का एक फेमस एक्टर बना। तो कौन था ये? एनी गेसेस? चलिए इस सस्पेंस को तोड़ते हैं और बताता हूं मैं उसका नाम, उस एक्टर का नाम, जिसे हम किंग खान के नाम से जानते हैं, शाहरुख खान। हाँ, ये शाहरुख खान की स्टोरी थी कि बचपन में जब उससे पूछा गया उसकी टीचर ने कि तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो, तो उसने कहा कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है। बट उस टाइम पे उसका वैसा लुक नहीं था, उस तरीके की हालत नहीं थी, हम कह सकते हैं, बिकॉज ही इज फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली। एंड उस टाइम पे बहुत चीजें होती थी, स्ट्रगल करना था। तो हम इंटरनली कितना मोटिवेट रहते, कितने इंस्पायर रहते, ये बहुत डिपेंड करता है कि हम अंदर से कितना रहते हैं। तो दैट इज द थिंग कि इंटरनल मोटिवेशन बहुत जरूरी है, और इंटरनली अगर हम स्ट्रांग हैं तो हम कुछ भी अचीव कर सकते हैं।
Yes.
So Kriti, which is more difficult to deal with, internal conflict or external conflict? As we know कि there are different conflicts in our life. So what do you think? What is more difficult to deal
Right.
with?
So I'll ask you first question and then answer this. Is that fine for you?
Yeah, of course.
All right. So can you tell me that if your neighbors are fighting, do you even are you even concerned about it? आपको फर्क पड़ता है इतना?
Sometimes.
But not always, right?
Yeah.
But how about a situation when you are not happy and you are very situation of anxiety, stressful, and you are not able to come out of that situation, and that keeps on happening internally, तब आपको ज्यादा concern होता है या नहीं होता?
होता है, बिल्कुल होता है।
Exactly. तब आपको mostly concern होता है. So the question is that which is more important? You have answered yourself, which is internal. Because
Yes.
when we are internally aligned, we tend to find positivity in our surroundings, in our home, in our own life. We tend to feel कि यार मैं सब कुछ accomplish कर लूंगा. आज तो there is nothing which will stop me. And it has truly happened with me. When this lockdown started, I was like, this is a great time for me to invest in myself. Not just this, I will be able to do tasks, spend time with my family, learn special dishes. I'm a foodie, so there are so many aspects which I was looking forward to, wherein there are people who initially were happy, but then later on they completely dip down into a lower life state, because it all starts internally. Whatever you are internal, as I mentioned before, is what will be depicted in the external environment.
Right. Internal environment is very important, and अगर हम internally ठीक हैं तो सब कुछ ठीक है। But
Right.
चीजें हमें पता होती हैं कृति, सबको पता होती है कि हमें अंदर से स्ट्रांग होना है, हम बाहर को नहीं, आउटसाइडर्स को चेंज नहीं कर सकते, हमें अपने ऊपर वर्क करना है, बट लोग उस पे इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करते हैं। So what key points or what tips you want to give to our viewers that can help them to वर्क ऑन देम, और उसको अप्लाई कर रहे हैं जिससे वो इस चीज को कर सकें कि हाँ उन्हें इंटरनली वर्क करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज एक्सटर्नली नहीं कर सकते। एज आई कोच पीपल एंड हेल्प टेल देम कि आप बाहर वाले को चेंज नहीं कर सकते, कुछ भी हो जाए, क्योंकि सामने वाला बंदा कैसा है या फिर सामने वाला पर्सन को आप नहीं बदल सकते, वेदर इट इज आवर पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो, हम उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते, बट व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन चेंज आवरसेल्फ, वी कैन वर्क ऑन आवरसेल्फ। सो अगर हम अपने आप को ठीक करेंगे तो हमारा सराउंडिंग अपने आप ही ठीक हो जाएगा। तो व्हाट टेक अवेज और की पॉइंट्स यू वांट टू गिव टू आवर व्यूअर्स for improving their
So for all the viewers out there who are listening to this important topic, internal versus external, this itself shows that you are valuing this whole topic and you want to change something, and you are here to learn about this internal and external world. So my whole, I do not give advices. I would just like you to ask these 2 3 questions to yourself. First is that whether you are willing to discover that inner change, that inner thing which is causing you, that limiting you to grow in life. First is that. Second is, first and foremost, if any situation you are encountering, any problem you are having, understand that what you can learn. It is not that what the other person have to learn and how they have to change their life. No, this is your life, and you need to make a difference. You need to better yourself, because the way you were a year ago in 2019 in July, if you are in July 2020, there is no difference in yourself, then look in what all aspects you can bring about a change. So I'll share from my personal life. I maintain a diary, and I constantly write points, whatever I need to bring upon a change. For example, in my office, if there are certain things which are not working according to what I want, and I am not happy with the whole situation, or even talking to a friend which is not understanding my state of mind, then I actually go down and introspect the areas which I want to work upon, which can be more compassion for the people, which can be having a courage to have a dialogue with my boss, which can also be just thinking that how I can be more kinder and understanding the situation by putting myself in the shoes of other person. And by doing these things, you can definitely work upon the internal self, because that is the core. And when you work on your core, the internal self, you eventually will find yourself more stronger, more wiser to handle the situations which keep on happening. And at times you feel that it is a spiral when you're not able to come out of it. However, working on self will make you to just, break through those things, break through that spiral. So this start with you. Just maintain a diary and just, write these points and discover that thing for yourself.
Absolutely true, Kriti. That was great tips which you given. And the good quality of coaches, they ask meaningful questions. तो वो
Yes.
क्वेश्चंस ही होते हैं कि हमें क्वेश्चंस ही पूछने चाहिए जिससे लोग अपने आप खुद को बैलेंस कर मतलब उसको
जी,
मैनेज कर सके,
डिस्कवर कर सकते हैं.
डिस्कवर कर
Yes,
सके और
exactly.
मैनेज कर सके कि हाँ कल मैंने ये किया था, आज मैंने ये किया है, तो उसको देखेंगे कैसे, पता कैसे चलेगा मैंने ग्रो किया और मैं या ग्रो नहीं कर रहा हूँ. तो उसके लिए हमें लिखना बहुत
जी,
जरूरी है कि हमें एक डायरी मेंटेन
जी,
करनी चाहिए. और कुछ भी होता है जो अच्छी चीजें होती है हमारी लाइफ में, हम उसको भूल जाते हैं. अगर 2 चीजें अच्छी हुई, 5 चीजें बुरी हुई, तो लोगों का होता क्या है कि बुरी चीजें याद रह जाती हैं और अच्छी चीजों को भूल जाते हैं. तो दैट इज रियली
जी,
इम्पोर्टेंट
जी,
कि उसे लिखना चाहिए और उसे मेंटेन करना चाहिए कि यस आई हैव डन
जी.
दिस थिंग टुडे एंड व्हाट कैन आई डू मोर टू इम्प्रूविंग माई सेल्फ, टू ग्रोइंग माई सेल्फ.
Right.
So that is really important. So you can view I wanna uh, tell them viewers कि वो अपने जो भी टेक अवेज थे वो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. एंड
जी.
ओवर टू यू कृति.
Yes.
इंटरनल ग्रोथ के बारे में जैसे अभी हमने बात की कि क्या है नहीं है, तो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स दैट अफेक्ट्स इंटरनल ग्रोथ, कि व्हाट
What
आर
are the factors?
या
Yeah.
what are the main factors जिससे internal growth affect करती है? What according to you, what you think
Hmm. Hmm.
that is the
Yes, so there are various factors which can be in one's life, but अगर मैं grill down करूँ to major 4 5 factors, first is um, that you should have people around who always see the positive in you. I'm not saying people who there are friends or family members who, even if you are doing wrong, they will be like हाँ ठीक है यही करो कोई बात नहीं, अगर even if you are doing wrong. But I'm talking about people who push you to your limits, to make you realize that you have the potential, even if you feel like giving up, which can be quoted in example like, so I like to give lot of examples because उससे थोड़ा समझ आता है viewers को कि कैसे वो अपनी life में किसी challenge को overcome कर सकते हैं. So the main factor which I was talking about first is can be like imagine you are in a situation where your boss is not understanding what exactly you are doing and the work you are doing, and at the same time आपको लगता है कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर रहे हो and still you're not getting recognized for your work. So the internal factor can be that you are not taking ownership in your life, you are not being accountable for your work, you are not making your work visible in the eyes of your manager, and the whole point brings down that the internal factors which stops us can be that your family members or your friends do not, or you are being the younger one in the family, they do not really have recognized your work, and then you have and also not made your work so much visible, that made you a person who's little introvert and not able to express yourself that much. So have friends and family members who really push you beyond limits, that yes you can do it, yes you can overpower these certain situations and you will be able to succeed. Second is you can have a wonderful habit of getting up in the morning, meditating, exercising, because when you are aligned with your inner core, inner internal self, you will be able to build a very very strong inner self and have clarity in your lives. Because the major factor of not actually being successful in life, I feel, is people sometimes we are not really clear कि हमें चाहिए क्या. Some people are just working because they just want to have financial stability, they have family to take care of, they are having so many of liabilities. सैलरी है फॉर एग्जांपल 40,000 50,000 की एंड लोन ले रखा है 5 lakhs का, एंड दे आर नॉट नाउ एबल टू मैनेज इन द टाइम ऑफ लॉकडाउन और पैंडेमिक दैट हाउ दिस finances would be managed. So these are the factors which keeps on hampering our growth, which keeps on making feel कि यार हम तो capable नहीं है करने के. And most importantly then again clarity, and then how you not able to decide on certain things, we become very impulsive, and when you become impulsive you are like okay this is also was good, this was also good, and anyone doing anything you keep on taking that. If a wrong decision is taking, what you tend to do कि ये सब मेरी गलती थी, मेरी वजह से ये हुआ है, and you tend to have a lot of anxiety and stress for yourself. So this all leads to lot of problems and stress in your life. However, when you align yourself to the factors of being clear in what you want to do, meditating, exercising also, and today's time we have a lot of time in a way, even if you don't have time, just manage your time so that you are able to do these tasks, and therefore at the end of the day you will eventually, it is not a one day journey, like it says Rome was not built in a day. Gradually you will see a very very change, smaller change, which will look in the future would look a very massive change for you. So that is what I would like all the viewers out there to have these factors in your life, discover these factors in your life, that what is it that is missing and how you can have in your life. So yeah.
Right, Kriti, you said absolutely right. That first thing that you told about the environment, और कहते हैं कि संगत का असर पड़ता है, तो वो बहुत ही
जी
अच्छी बात बोली कि जैसे आई वॉज वॉचिंग वन ऑफ द वीडियो ऑफ संदीप माहेश्वरी, तो उसमें भी उन्होंने बताया है कि संगत का असर बहुत बहुत होता है, और ये हर जगह हमें सुनने को मिलता है कि संगत का असर पड़ता है. अगर हम अच्छे लोगों के संगत में होते हैं तो अच्छा ही हमें सीखने को मिलता है. अगर हम किसी बुरी संगत में चले जाते हैं तो हमारा ग्रोथ तो नहीं होगी, ग्रोथ होगी तो वो एकदम बैड उसमें होगी, खराब उसमें, कि हाँ हम कुछ गलत हैबिट्स में आ गए या कुछ ऐसा. तो एनवायरनमेंट का असर पड़ता है, और हमें अच्छे लोगों की संगत में रहना चाहिए जो हमें मोटिवेट करे, जो हमें पुश करे कि हाँ यू कैन डू दिस, कि अभी तो स्टार्टिंग हुई है, ये है, मतलब इस तरीके से वो मोटिवेट करे, हमें पुश करे कि हाँ यू कैन टेक द सेकंड स्टेप आल्सो. एंड दूसरी कि कि कोर वैल्यूज पता होना बहुत जरूरी है, और जो भी हम डिसीजंस लेते हैं उस पे टिके रहना, दैट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट। कि जो भी हमने
right,
डिसीजन लिया है वो बाद में जाके ऐसा ना हो कि हमें रिग्रेट हो, जैसे हमने फर्स्ट एपिसोड में डिस्कस किया था, दैट इज ऑल, होल एपिसोड वाज ऑन डिसीजन मेकिंग।
right.
तो व्यूअर्स को मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि अगर उन्होंने फर्स्ट एपिसोड नहीं देखा है तो वो पेज पे जाके एंड लिंक्स देख सकते हैं उस वीडियो का।
Great. Yeah,
तो ये चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि डिसीजन हमने ले लिया उस पर टिके रहना, दैट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट।
right.
Yeah. So Kriti, what are the ways to improve the internal growth? What is the way
So,
we can improve
yeah,
internal?
very apt question in today's time, and people who are watching this, especially for you, if you really want to improve upon your internal self, I would say, again, there can be many things for everyone, the way you can have your change in your life. But what I personally do, that I would like to share. So for me, I am a part of a life philosophy. I like to chant, and I want to align my life to to have a lot of determinations in my life, and to make appropriate actions. So how I am able to do is about how as following very simple steps, but consistent steps. कोई भी चीज अगर आप करेंगे, I give this examples to a lot of people, कि imagine when you were born, you were on milk, and then later on you move to the meals, जो होता है कि हमारा food वाला diet. So when you are having that, and imagine after having a one course of meal, which is your breakfast, उसके बाद आप एक साल तक खाना नहीं खाओ, and then suddenly you wake up and say, oh ठीक है, अब मैं lunch दोबारा करता हूँ. So imagine in 1 year you won't be having even the energy to get up from the bed. You won't be able to walk because आपकी energy पूरी drain out हो जाएगी. So imagine you're having your food consistently every single day. शायद एक दो बार मिस किया हो because you are just so much stuffed, but rest of the days you are having it consistently. So consistency is very crucial to all the people out there. If you are not consistent in one of the things, just like food, you will miss out. You will miss out that race. You will miss out that whatever you are targeting. And when I say race, it is not about the external world which I'm talking about. It is how you were yesterday to what you are today, to what you were a year ago and what you are now. And when you have these little things in your life, you will be able to make a difference in yourself. And then people who look up to you, whom you inspire, will reach out to you that, how I can do this. Because until you are a person who would like to make a difference in your own life first, then only you will be a action taker. A person who's an action taker will have the possibility of being consistent, of really wanting to do something in their life. But if you are a person who is lazing around watching a lot of web series, there are loads of web series, and trust me, मैं अपने आप को resist करती हूँ at times to watch web series. It's been so many days I have not watched, but whenever I watch, it is very productive. I'm not watching just for the heck of it or just to pass my time. So your growth is in your hands. If you are really want to accomplish something and bring about that internal change, so that other people you can inspire, and first and foremost, the inspiration starts from you. So that effort आपको बनाना है, and make sure ये आज से हो, कल से नहीं. Every day you have been doing कि कल से होगा, कल से होगा, कल से होगा. And imagine we have more than 3 months into the lockdown, and unlock 1 भी शुरू हो गया, but still if there has been no action. So today is the day to make that action, to make that change in your life, and you will be able to do it, I'm sure.
Right. So absolutely right, Kriti. You said
Yep.
very well कि कंसिस्टेंट होना बहुत जरूरी है किसी भी काम के लिए. अगर हम कंसिस्टेंट नहीं रहते हैं तो वो काम नहीं होता है, और हम उसको, जो भी हमारा टारगेट है या जो भी हमारा गोल है या आउटकम है, वो उसको हम नहीं अचीव कर पाते. और फिर कहीं ना कहीं ये होता है कि मैंने तो अपना एफर्ट लगाया लेकिन मैं उसको अचीव नहीं कर पाई। फिर वो एक बार होता है, 2 बार होते हैं, लोग ट्राई करते हैं एंड बाद में वो थक हार के छोड़ देते हैं कि नहीं मुझसे तो हो ही नहीं सकता। वो बिलीव कर लेते
Right.
हैं कि सेल्फ बिलीव हो जाता है उनका कि नहीं मैं तो ये कितना भी कर लूं मेरे से ये काम हो ही नहीं सकता। तो कंसिस्टेंट होना बहुत जरूरी है किसी भी काम में।
Right. Yeah.
या सो कृति, जैसे आजकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एक ट्रेंड बोल लो या फिर एक ऐसा वर्ड हो गया है जो हर कोई यूज करता है कि
जी।
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चाहिए या ट्रांसफॉर्म करना चाहिए अपने आप को, या मुझे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चाहिए कुछ नया। तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, इंटरनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और एक्सटर्नल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन? बोथ आर good in their own way, but what do you think
Hmm.
is more important according to you?
Sure, Sonu. So, very apt question. However, I would like to bring just one focus that external transformation is not possible when you are aligned yourself, when you want to bring a change in your life, as I mentioned earlier, then only the internal transformation can change place. And when I talk about internal transformation, transformation actually is a hyped word, you can say. However, when you look into the deeper meaning, it has enormous power. And when you call a transformation, it is not just a little change you one faces or one feels in their life, but they are actually move from A to B, and that is the whole difference. And transformation is actually a very big word, which takes many years for people to move from state 1 to state B. Because for years, for example, if someone is thinking I'm not capable, I'm not worth anything, ये बोलते हैं ना जैसे जनरली कि यार मुझसे तो हो ही नहीं सकता, मैं इस लायक ही नहीं हूँ,
Right.
या मुझे तो ये मिलना ही नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को ये मेरी लाइफ ही डिजर्व ही नहीं करती। तो
Right.
ये सारे स्टेटमेंट्स हम एक्सटर्नली एनवायरनमेंट में अपने मन में बोल रहे हैं। See, so the point is that external transformation is something which is external, which is outside ourselves. What is inside, which is internal. And when I actually overpower these limitations, that limiting thoughts, that I'm not capable, I'm not worth anything, मैं किसी चीज के लायक नहीं हूँ, मेरे साथ तो हमेशा बुरा ही होता है, जब आप इनको overpower कर लेते हो with the steps which I mentioned, the factors which I mentioned in the previous questions, then you are able to move from A to B, which is called transformation. It is very simple, however not that simple when you practice in your daily life, when you are able to move from when you're able to make a change in your life. And that is what a role of a coach is. Big people have, or all people have coaches. Even so Tony Robbins, if you have heard the name, is a well known person. He is a wonderful coach. And how he makes a shift in the minds of people, it just takes a second for the transformation to happen. However, people wait for years to have that transformation. However, don't lose hope, because when you are on that journey to grow yourself, when you are on a journey to make that change from A to B, that will definitely happen, because that is what the universe, you are actually asking the universe to give it to you. And I have seen in my own life, when I was a little kid, I was very timid, shy, and very introvert person, and a pessimist person. However, when I saw the changes in me, which is joining a life philosophy and having lot of friends around, I saw a lot of change in me. I became from a pessimist to a very hopeful person. My whole life, I has been roller coaster. But how I was able to bring change is itself, I was able to take lot of years. But when I saw the transformation in my own life, I was like, wow, this is worth it. So internally, the transformation can happen, which will enable lot of achievement in your life, which you can name it as transformation. That's it. Yeah.
Wow. Really, that is great, Kriti, that you share your story. First, you transform yourself, and then you are helping others to transforming their lives. That is really good. And what I believe, Kriti, everyone out there who wanna help others or helping other people, they first transform themselves, and then they are helping others to transforming their lives and helping to grow themselves. Because कहते हैं ना कि अगर हमें जो चीज पता है, हम तभी, अगर हमें कोई चीज पता है तभी हम उसके बारे में बता सकते हैं. अगर मैं उस फेज से गुजरा हूं, अगर मैंने वो प्रॉब्लम फेस की है, तभी मैं उसके बारे में गाइड कर सकता हूँ. जैसे मैं अपनी बात करता हूँ कि आई एम अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, लाइफ कोच एंड माइंड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एक्सपर्ट. तो मैंने अपने माइंड पे काम किया है, मैंने अपने माइंड को उस तरीके से फ्रेम आउट किया है कि पहले मैं ऐसा नहीं था. पहले मैं जब भी कोई नेगेटिव सिचुएशन आती थी तो मैं बहुत ही पजल्ड हो जाता था और बहुत ही उदास हो जाता था कि यार ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स मेरे साथ ही क्यों आती है. बट आई वर्क ऑन इट, आई रिसर्च, आई gain knowledge, and I transform myself and my thinking process or my mind, and then I am able to help people कि yes, अगर आप इस तरीके से सोच रहे हो या आपके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम है, देन आप इस तरीके से वर्क कर सकते हो. बिकॉज आई बिलोंग्स टू दैट प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि मैंने वो प्रॉब्लम फेस की है. और जब हम किसी सिचुएशन को, किसी प्रॉब्लम को फेस करते हैं, उससे टैकल करते हैं, उससे बाहर आते हैं, तो हमें पता होता है कि हाँ ये स्टेप्स हैं, इसको फॉलो करके हम इस प्रॉब्लम से बाहर आ सकते हैं. लाइक मैं एग्जांपल दूंगा कि अगर मुझे दिल्ली से मुंबई जाना है बाय फ्लाइट, तो मुझे पता है फर्स्ट मुझे चेक इन करना पड़ेगा एयरपोर्ट पे, लगेज ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा, देन मैं फ्लाइट में बोर्ड करूंगा, एंड देन वहां पे अराइवल पे उतर के, एंड देन आई विल रीच मुंबई, राइट. तो इसी तरीके से हर चीज का एक प्रोसेस होता है, हर चीज को टैकल करने का, उसको ठीक करने का एक प्रोसेस होता है. तो वो बहुत जरूरी है कि आप जिसे भी फॉलो कर रहे हैं, चाहे कोई भी है, तो आपको ये देखना है कि क्या वो प्रॉब्लम उसने फेस की है. दैट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. क्योंकि जब तक हमें खुद को नहीं पता होगा तो हम दूसरों को कहां से गाइड कर पाएंगे और दूसरों को कैसे बता पाएंगे. तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बहुत जरूरी है, लेकिन अगर पहले हमें खुद अगर हम किसी की हेल्प करना चाहते हैं तो फर्स्ट हमें उसकी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए कि किस तरीके से इसे टैकल किया जा सकता है और क्या वेज हैं इसके टैकल करने के और इसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा. दैट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड एज यू सेड द कोचेस आर देयर, सो कोच का काम ही वही है कि, और कोई भी बड़ा, मतलब हम किसी भी टॉप जो बिजनेसमैन है या सेलिब्रिटीज हैं, एवरीवन हैज देयर पर्सनल कोच. सो कोच की जरूरत पड़ती है. एंड लाइफ के हर इम्पोर्टेंट जो पार्ट्स होते हैं, एरियाज होते हैं, उनके लिए कोचेस अवेलेबल हैं. अगर हम रिलेशनशिप की बात करें या फिर अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करना है, अपने लाइफ को कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाना चाहते हैं, कोई चेंज लाना चाहते हो, तो there are different coaches are also available,
right.
So that is really important to, कहते ना कि हम अपने आप में ही सोच लेते हैं कि हम कर लेंगे, हम कर सकते हैं. लाइक आज हम बात करें तो YouTube पे बहुत सारी वीडियोस हैं, तो
right.
कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि why we hire a coach, हम तो YouTube पे देख के सीख लेंगे, या फिर हम क्लास में जाके कर लेंगे, या हमें स्कूल मतलब टीचरों से पूछ लेंगे. बट एक कोच का काम सिर्फ कोच ही कर सकता है, न कोई और नहीं कर सकता. जिस तरीके से एक डॉक्टर का काम एक डॉक्टर ही कर सकता है, कोई केमिस्ट शॉप नहीं कर सकती. तो उसी तरीके होता है कि कोच का काम कोच ही कर सकता है. अगर सचिन तेंदुलकर जी उस लेवल तक है तो वो उसके कोच की वजह से है, बिकॉज उसके कोच ने उसको ट्रेन किया, उसकी कमियां बताई, उसकी हैंड होल्डिंग की और उसको बताया कि यस तुम्हें यहाँ पे इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है, यहाँ पे तुम इस तरीके से कर सकते हो. तभी उसने वहां तक जो इतने सेंचुरीज मारी, एंड ही इज द नंबर 1 क्रिकेटर. सो वो वही होता है कि हम लोग हेल्प मांगे तो हमें हेल्प मिलेगी, बट लोग हेल्प मांगना ही नहीं चाहते आज की डेट में.
बिल्कुल.
ये बहुत
बिल्कुल सोनू, यू आर राइट.
राइट. सो लोग हेल्प मांगना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. हेल्प मांगना बहुत जरूरी है. That I
राइट.
and I have started a campaign also on my page that don't fear, super coach is here. If you need any help,
Wow.
yeah, I am available.
Wow. That's awesome.
Yeah. So Kriti, as we discussed,
Yes.
कि सारी चीजें इंटरनली हमें वर्क करनी पड़ेगी. बट अगर हम बात करें मोटिवेशन की, तो what
Hmm.
do you think more powerful, internal motivation or external? Because external motivation भी उतना ही जरूरी है जितना internal जरूरी है.
Right.
But what do you think कि
Right. So question,
हमें,
yes.
right, कि
Yeah.
internal motivation और external motivation?
Yeah. So I got your question, and it's a very, very important question. I feel so. I'll give you a very apt answer to this smaller version, that external motivation, for example, you're following a celebrity, you're following a cricket of a cricketer, and you're following a football, if you're a football fan, you're following someone like that in sports, and in case of celebrities, you're following some other actors. That would make you to do certain things in life for a shorter period. However, if you are internally motivated, it will be able to make changes and take action for a longer period of time. Because, like, for example, I'm a coach, and when I really like Robin Sharma. I like the way he delivers and have lot of ideas to make the content very easily understandable for the other people. There are people, for example, I like Suren, but whole point is how you are able to align yourself. First is that, and second, how you're able to take action to even help others. So first is helping yourself, and then in this industry, when I'm a coach, I would like to help others, because like I shared, I've been into a roller coaster ride of my life, and now when I've come out of it, I like to help people.
Right.
However, when I talk about my internal self versus external, I can be far motivated with all the people, with lot of celebrities around, and the way they dress up, the way they look, and I personally would be happy to exercise and do a lot of stuff. But however, if I do not find any breakthroughs in my life, any thing in which I can be a part of the way they are, I would be demotivated, right? I would be like, yeah, मुझे तो अब करना ही नहीं है, मेरे पास तो कोई assignments नहीं आ रहे, मुझे कुछ करने का नहीं है. However, but if I am internally motivated, I will, irrespective of lot of failures, challenges, struggles in my own life, I will still be able to step up. Because what will drive me is inner motivation. At the same time, external will help me to realign thoda, you know, tits and bits ki idhar udhar kar liya, and okay, I'm back on track. If at all I falter, then again something of the external world will help me, that someone, if I'm following as an ideal, will help me to realign my life. However, internal is the foremost. It's like the core. कोर के ऊपर अगर आपको कुछ बनाना है करने के लिए, दैट इज फाइन. सो इट्स लाइक, लेट मी साइट एन एग्जांपल व्हिच इज ऑफ अ केक. अगर केक का बेस, व्हिच इज द बेस, इज मिसिंग, आप उसके ऊपर ऊपर कुछ भी लगा दो, it won't count, because the icing comes later. So
Right.
the base is the internal one, and the external um, people are just the icing on that cake. Because when you are internally strong, then only that will hold on to yourself, that will hold on to your life, and that will able to make you successful. Ab external world mein to there are people who have achieved so many things and faced lot of failures. Aap unke struggles mein nahi the. So similarly, you have to face your struggles by yourself and make it to big name. So when you are able to do that, you will also inspire a lot of people. अभी इतना क्या टेंशन लेना है?
Right.
अभी जो करना है वो अपनी लाइफ में काम करना है. अभी जो काम करना है वो अपने इंटरनल सेल्फ पे काम करना है. So that you are able to depict a stronger self externally, and inspire a lot of people. Externally, it's like a shorter one, and internal is the bigger one, where you're able to base your life. So that is what the difference between internal and external motivation. And people out there who are listening, just ensure that whomsoever you are following have a strong story. Because if you are following, for example, celebrities who have been a bond with a silver spoon, then probably आपको उनके challenges struggles नहीं पता है. You
Absolutely.
have your own life and you're living it each day with the amount of struggles and challenges yourself. That celebrity is not coming to your home to teach you that how to live that life. So ensure that you empower yourself enough. I always say this, to empower yourself enough to make yourself so positive that you are able to draft your life the way you want. And when you are having that strength, and inner strength बहुत बहुत जरूरी है आज के टाइम में. At one point, lockdown जब 2-3 महीने extend हो गया था, even at one point of time I was feeling कि, oh god, this is just too much to take. But however, I picked myself up in another hour, and I was like, all right, let's do something creative. I video called my friends, I went for a walk downstairs. So there are so many ideas which can be done. It is all up to you that how you want to make that change. And आज इसको सुनने के बाद, to all the people out there, don't resist the change, accept it and take action. My sincere urge for you all, when you are here for your growth, listening to this, please take the time for your development, and it starts internally. That's it. Yeah.
Right, Kriti. You said explained very well, and you gave lovely examples that hope viewers loved it. And I wanna ask to viewers कि जो भी उनको की पॉइंट्स हैं या जो भी टेक अवेज अच्छे लगे वो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. एंड जैसा कि कृति तुमने कहा कि हमें एक अपना बेस जो होता है वो मजबूत रखना चाहिए, कि कोर पॉइंट
Right.
हमें अपना बहुत स्ट्रांग रखना चाहिए. लाइक जैसे हम बिल्डिंग कोई बनती है तो उसके पहले सबसे पहले नींव रखी जाती है. तो
जी.
अगर नींव मजबूत होगी तो फिर बिल्डिंग मजबूत होती है. तो उसी तरीके से हमें अपना कोर वैल्यूज पता होनी चाहिए, और वो अगर हमारी स्ट्रांग है तो हम आगे वर्क कर सकते हैं. फिर कहते हैं ना कि चाहे जितनी मुश्किलें आ जाएं वो तो हम फिर पार कर ही लें.
Right. जी.
तो दैट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड एक मेरे को याद आ रही है बात इसी मोटिवेशन के ऊपर ही. माइंड वैली का नाम सुना होगा आपने. माइंड वैली
Yes. Yeah.
मिशन लखियानी की एक बुक थी. तो उसमें बताया है उसने कि किस तरीके से हम इंटरनली मोटिवेशन जो होता है वो एक कहते हैं ना, हमारा कोई ड्रीम है, एक बर्निंग डिजायर ढूंढने की बात होती है. अगर वो बर्निंग डिजायर हमें पता लग गया तो कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं होता है. फिर तो ये होता है कि बस मुझे वो चाहिए, वो चीज मुझे चाहिए.
Exactly.
एनी हाउ वो कहते हैं ना, साम दाम दंड भेद सारे तरीके आजमा लो,
जी.
बट मुझे वो चीज चाहिए. तो जब वो बर्निंग डिजायर एक पता लग जाएगी तब हम वो चीज अचीव करने के लिए अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. बट सबसे पहला काम है कि हमें वो एक टारगेट सेट करना पड़ेगा कि हाँ यहाँ मुझे पहुंचना है.
Right.
That is really important. So thank you, Kriti, for giving your time. I know you are doing lots of sessions and you are busy. So thank you for coming this series.
Thank you so much, Sonu. Wish you all the good luck to all the people out there. In case you have any questions regarding to this topic, you can reach out to me. And I hope that you will start taking action in this regard at the earliest, not waiting any further days to pass on. And it's been wonderful, Sonu, to talk on this most important aspect in each one of our lives, which is able to make the way we want our life to be. So on the end, I would just want to share that internally, चाहे अगर हम कुछ भी चल रहा हो लाइफ में, उसको strength दो. Just be very very convinced that you will be able to come out of it. Have confidence, reach out for help. आज की डेट में there are a lot of things which are happening, मगर अगर आप राइट सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन के पास जाके और एक्सपर्ट से जाके बात करेंगे, यू विल बी एबल टू ड्राफ्ट द लाइफ व्हिच एंड नॉट स्ट्रगल इट फॉर मेनी years. So thank you Sonu for this wonderful topic. I wish you all the very best and good luck for all the positivity you are spreading around, for what all the wonderful messages that you have. So I wish you good luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kriti. And so, friends, I hope you liked the episode. Please give your feedbacks and your takeaways in comment box below and share this video and help me to spread this knowledge with more and more people, because your one share can change one life. So don't forget to share it and also subscribe the page and channel for upcoming episodes and updates. So I'll meet you in next episode, same time, same place. Super Coach signing off. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.